to be shopping at the mall. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go thrifting. It's gonna be fun. Yeah, yay. Hopefully I'll find some good stuff, but here is a fit check. We've got Brandy Melville shirt, cargos from Brandy Melville as well, and then these for messy room. I unboxed my ring light, so yeah. It'll be a lot of unflattering angles today like this, because I don't know how filming in public will feel, but yeah. But we're here to have fun. So, let's go. So first we're gonna go to an actual mall before we thrift. We're gonna go shopping to places in the district. Ah, this is weird. And it's gonna be fun. Going to places like maybe Victoria's Secret, H&M, places that have just nice clothes, because I want to be fashionable. Secret. Victoria's Secret. She's my friend. Right now we're in Hollister. Most of my clothes are actually from Hollister. I've got to be honest, like half my closet and Brandy Melville, so I need to get better at like having more variety in my wardrobe. But if we find something cute here, why not? Why not branch out? It's giving Hermione. Johnny Rockets is a great burger joint. This one's connected to an arcade. I have an arcade in the town center near where I live, which is Mililani. But this place, it's amazing. It has a whole mall. There's clothing shops everywhere. All of the trendy ones like Hollister, American Eagle, everywhere. Anything you could ever dream of. Okay, so Victoria's Secret. That's one. It's a secret, okay? And yeah, there's like a haircut place. If you wanna chop off the pain, trauma, okay? You know? You feel me? You get me? Okay. Guys, there's a fashion show. Fashion show at the mall? Come on, Hawaii's amazing. So I think we're done shopping at the mall, but we're going to go to a couple of thrift stores, and that's going to be really fun. We're going to find such fashionable items. Okay, so so we're gonna go to Savers, which is a thrift store in Hawaii. It's really good. You should go there if you live in Hawaii. It's the best thrift store. Yes, it's really big. It depends on the one that you go to, though. I think because there's two, and I'm going to the one that I haven't gone to before. So it'll be something new. All of the other ones are closed, and yeah, they're lame. But no, I'm joking. We waited too long to shop there. It's a sun! Oh my gosh, it's a sun! We're pulling up to Savers, yeah. I got a whole bunch of really, really cool stuff from American Eagle and Savers. I'm gonna show you guys a try-on haul in a short video, and I'll link that somewhere, anywhere that I can. So this I got from American Eagle. It is a men's shirt. Maybe it'll make up for my lack of a man. I have no man. I am single. That was weird, I'm sorry. Look at this skirt. It was $6.99 at American Eagle. Like, okay, ciao, anyway. But yeah, this skirt, it's pretty nice for $7. That's decent. All right, next is Savers. Savers is literally feeding people. Don't walk, run to Savers, okay? This is a gorgeous suit kind of jacket. It's a very light outerwear. It's giving Vampire Diaries. Ugh, love that show. I'm actually binging it right now. Probably why I compared it to that. But like, you know, Twilight, Vampire Diaries, the dark kind of like, you know, blazerish aesthetic, you know what I mean? Love it. Girlies, love it. Okay, and then I got from Babe. Y'all, I spent 5 minutes trying to pronounce this. I had to look it up. BB, it's BB. Baby. But look at this stunning jacket. I'm just really excited right now. And I'm at home, so it's not as awkward as filming in public. But like, stunning. Everything I ever wanted and more. I got this like, I don't know if it's vintage Hollister, sportswear. It says Pacific Merchants, so I don't know, something must be up with it. Like that's like a little extra, if you know what I mean. But I had like a really similar jacket that I saved on my Depop and then it got sold, but it had ties at the pockets and it was like structured like really similar to this. And whenever I saw this, and it has a cute bow at the back, like what? Excuse me? Okay, sorry, I'm gonna calm down. But it's adorable. Like, oh my gosh, the outerwear, the jackets. I have this like button down, and again, another thing that I was looking for, like it has the line stitching kind of thing. And then it has like these flare sleeves with like the little ties that you can tie in a bow. Bro, this is literally my Pinterest. Like, you know that new Titanic poster that everyone's talking about? Well, my hair's kind of giving that vibe. And I mean, it could be a look. It could be. Savers is popping off, okay? Savers is popping off. Gorgeous. I can't wait to try these on. But they're probably crusty, musty, and dusty from being in a thrift store all day. Anyways, I got this polka dot, another button down, long sleeved. shirt. Also, I didn't tell you guys about like the prices of each, so I will edit that in because I'm extra. Yes, and I love you guys. I got this tie. The thing is, I went through a lot to get this tie. I really did. Okay, you want to know what I went through? I bought all of that other stuff, left the store, and then my mom was like, hey, where's that, like, you know, tie? You said you wanted a tie. I was like, oh, I had that in my cart. I don't know what happened with it. And I found it right back in its spot with like all the other ties. Interesting. But yeah, gorgeous. I feel like I wanted a tie because I feel like I can style it the different ways. I couldn't find like one that was skinny all the way to the end, but I don't think that matters. I could make it work. It's fashion, okay? It's fashion, I swear. So, look for that try-on haul, okay guys? Bye. Bye. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Also, if you guys like, oh my gosh, my hair is crazy right now. So if you guys like my makeup, thanks. I have a tutorial for it on my channel. So, bye.